Hi, myself Bhavya N. I'm a consultant psychologist responsible for child and adolescent counseling in Soundarya Educational Trust. Today I'll be suggesting you few exam tips. Marks in exams doesn't always state your intelligence or brilliance. Then what is exam? According to me, full form of an exam is extended attention mastery. Do we need to master our attention or extend our attention? Definitely yes. An average attention span of a teenager varies from 40 to 80 minutes. The examination duration is for 180 minutes or 3 hours. Any student who can extend his attention for these 180 minutes can successfully crack his exams. This is a simple mantra to crack any exams, like it could be board exams, competitive exams or entrance exams, is to have a sustained attention. What is sustained attention? It is an ability to focus on a task for a prolonged period of time. How to have an extended attention span or sustained attention? You need to follow these simple steps. Step number 1, have a proper diet plan including cereals, nuts, fruits and vegetables which are rich in protein. Avoid large intake of carbohydrates which will make you feel sleepy and heavy during exams. A proper diet plan helps in regulating your blood sugar levels for increased concentration. Start your planning from today to notice the results. Step number 2, maintain a certain amount of physical activity to improve your oxygenated blood flow to brain, which helps in concentrating and memorizing the content. Step number 3, hydrate yourself. Drink sufficient amount of water. You may be wondering, do we have to plan our diet, exercise, drink sufficient amount of water to extend your attention span? Yes, definitely yes. Healthy mind can have a certain amount of attention span, and healthy mind can only be in healthy body. Now we shall move on to the cognitive process. Step number 4, please have a positive thought about your exams. Don't surround yourself with negative thoughts like, what if I forget this answer? What if I get a difficult question? What if I get questions based on the subjects which I have not prepared or the topics which I have not learned? Please come out of what if syndrome. Please have a positive thought like, yes, I can do it and I will do it. Step number 5, we have a sport for memory. It's World Memory Championship. Many memory